This year maths has been really exciting because last year we had to sit at the board and the teacher had to teach us. But this year, Inspire Maths is really accessible on the internet, so we can view it from the whiteboard.
This year, NASA needs to be like a race. At the start of the race, I stumbled and tripped, but now I'm on my way, running towards the front of the pack.
This year it's been pretty fun, and unlike other years, I feel like I'm understanding it like a lot, and I'm learning so much.
Maths this year has been quite hard, but better than last year, and it's quite challenging, but it prepares you for secondary school.
Well, I think this year it's been much better because before I thought we were taught rather mechanically and we didn't really understand why, but this year with lots of different concepts that we've covered, we've understand why like formulas are used, and also because we're using Inspire Math this year, the units are quite long, so there's a lot of extension work for you to do if you want to, so you're never bored.
I think it's been much better than this year, than the last year, because it's quite challenging. We're doing much harder work. I like that because it prepares you for secondary school.
I think maths is really enjoyable partly because of the books that we have used to revise. Inspire Maths is really useful because it takes us through every step of each calculation and explains us why this is, why do we have to do this, why do we have to do that, which is a very helpful source for us other boys.
In most books, you just get the methods of how to do certain calculations, but I think in Inspire Maths, they've given you a very clear understanding of how to do it, why to do it, and what is happening. So like, suppose you're doing a word problem, it gives you every reason of what is happening around in that word problem and why the answer is what it is.
I think that Inspire Math is a very good resource because it doesn't just give you one method and says like you have to use this method to find out this problem. It gives you like 2, 3, possibly 4 different methods to use, and then you can just use your favorite one that you find the easiest.
I like Inspire Maths because when it gives different ways to actually find out a simple question. So first, if you're dividing a fraction, you would flip the fraction around and then you would times it. And the reason why I think it's called Inspire Maths is because it inspires people to actually go on and challenge themselves.
I think Inspire Maths is a very good way of teaching young pupils in school how to understand problems in real life, because in the books it will show real life situations that can actually happen to yourself. So that's why I think Inspire Maths is really good.
Maths this year was fun because we used another book called Inspire Maths that helped us with different methods, because normally I would use one method, but Inspire Maths teach me how to do different methods. And there are some hard, which is challenging, but some are easier as well. And I like the lessons because it was easier to understand.
I like it because we've had a new book called Inspire Maths, and what it is that it helps me a lot with new ways of finding out problems, and it just has everything and it has lots of questions as well, and it gives you some examples. It's literally maths heaven.